Today we're learning how to make fun fact sentences using the present perfect. We use this pattern to share amazing new information. Did you know scientists have found water on Mars? Did you know Japan has built the fastest train? Did you know monkeys have learned English in this class? We use have with I, you, we, and they. We use has with he, she, and it. If it's new or surprising information, use present perfect. You unlocked present perfect. Get ready for reading.